In this guide, we will show you the working image of the Oppo A6 Pro 4G CPH2799 UFS ISP pinout and test point. By using the ISP pinout, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass FRP lock, remove MDM lock, repair a dead boot, or reset user data on your device via UFS box, Easy JTAG, and Flash 64 box. In this guide, we will also guide you on how to connect the ISP pinout to any UFS programmer box. If you're a mobile technician or microsoldering specialist, and you get devices that are bricked, locked, or not being detected on a PC, the ISP connection is used, which is connected directly to the UFS chip. In this post, we will share the tested and verified Oppo A6 Pro 4G ISP pinout, what it is, and how to connect to it, and easily perform your repair and recovery tasks. What is ISP in system programming? In simple terms, ISP allows you to access the eMMC chip without having to remove it. You simply have to identify the correct pinout of the board and use a supported UFS/eMMC tool, such as Flash 64, UFI, Easy JTAG, or Medusa Pro to attach it directly. ISP pinout is useful when the phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked, and you can't use ADB, fastboot, or OTG bypass. You need to dump firmware from a working unit to repair a dead one. You're working on a boot repair or partition restore. The phone is detected as unknown in PC, EDL not working. Oppo A6 Pro 4G CPH2799 UFS ISP pinout image. The reason it's valuable is the ISP pinout, because it is a without CPU drill solution. This reduces the need to drill into the CPU layers to access data lines, as the required lines are visible on the PCB layer. The test points are located on the main motherboard, near the UFS memory chip area, as shown in the inset image. To get to the points, you might have to scratch away the protective mask or remove a small section of the EMI shielding. UFS ISP pin labels you need. RST, reset. SOP, transmit data positive. SON, transmit data negative. RXOP, receive data positive. ROXON, receive data negative. GND, ground, connect to any ground point. Update note, we're in the process of verifying the latest Oppo A6 Pro 4G CPH2799 ISP pinout under actual repair lab conditions. As soon as the new image is confirmed, we will upload it to this post. Stay tuned to this post for updates. When repairing dead boot problems, especially on devices like the Oppo A6 Pro 4G, the Easy JTAG Plus and UFI box dongles are great for mobile repair. They are important for scenarios where the phone has been incorrectly flashed and does not display the startup logo, and is no longer responding to power. Required tools for ISP pinout. Make sure your bench is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFI box, Easy JTAG, or Medusa Pro. Nola, Uxi Nola, Colme Junterveu. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect Oppo A6 Pro ISP to the UFS box. Remove the battery from the phone. This is extremely important to prevent voltage conflicts. Clean the PC board area with isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to RST, SOP, SON, RXOP, and ROXON points with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS/eMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFI or Easy JTAG. In a UFI or Easy JTAG software, select Identify UFS eMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP. If you have the right connection, you will see the UFS chip information in the tool window.